motor. And pretty rotten, it's really rusty, and the hood's broke. That's why that wire's hanging there for it. The blade is like really rotten, it don't work. The battery is dead and it's really bad corroded. And my dad made another joint and each thing out of a bolt and two other nuts there, and to pull his trailers around with. And this one was made in 92. So I don't really have a key. It's in there and it's locked. It's a 5-speed. And I'm wondering if you can sort that out to get to start since you don't have the key. If you guys would comment and tell me if you could, but wouldn't you just sort it out? It's a starter. So guys, comment and tell me if you can do that. The rims are bent and tires are flat. It used to have headlights, it don't no more. It needs cleaned up. The motor's dirty. I mean bad dirty. The clutch is good. It's low on oil. Let me see if it is. I'm pretty sure it is. As you can see, the frame is just really rotten. Yeah, it needs oil. I'm gonna make me a tractor out of this, tractor puller. Well, my friend Austin, as you've seen in the bike jumping video, he has one that's like 10 times as high as this. And I'm wanting to make custom heads that comes out the side of the hood or out the top like Dave Cheviak is. So, guys, tell me if you can sort the starter out and make it start. I really need help with that. It does still turn, surprisingly, but the gas tank is totally empty. I'm glad of that, because it would be a mess if that was not dry. The air cleaner has oil in it, and the oil down in there. I have a spare motor for this thing, the 12.5 horsepower, and I have a 10.5, or 12.1, I don't remember. But the exhaust on this one is just really rotten. It's falling off. That's why I'm gonna have to make a redneck exhaust.